Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. By using one of the best drawing tablets, you can create your own amazing art with ease. Digital art has come a long way over the years as brands develop new products and software designed specifically for artists. And drawing on a tablet with a stylus feels more natural than ever. The wide array of available products also mean there are plenty of options, no matter your budget, from students heading to school to professional creatives. However, this multitude of choices means it can be hard narrowing down what kind of tablet to go for. That's why we put together this handy guide where we detail a range of drawing tablets for all needs and budgets, so everyone from absolute beginners to seasoned pros can find the right drawing tablet for them.
Number 3. iPad Pro 12.9-inch M1, 2021.
The iPad Pro offers the best of two worlds. If having the best drawing tablet simply isn't enough for you, and you need to have the best tablet all around, there's really only one choice: the latest 12.9-inch M1 iPad Pro. It's so far ahead of the rest of the tablet market that it's not even funny. Not only is the iPad Pro powered by Apple's blazing fast M1 chip for utterly stunning performance, it has a mini LED XDR display with amazing brightness, as well as local dimming to deliver astonishing contrast. Put the two together, and throw in the wonderfully smooth and intuitive Apple Pencil 2, and you have a near unbeatable all-in-one system for creating digital art as well as showing it off to best effect.
Number 2. Apple iPad Air, 5th Gen, 2022.
The latest generation of iPad Air, the Apple iPad Air, 5th Gen, 2022, is a simply stunning tablet. It sports one of Apple's M1 silicon chips, the new processors that are currently transforming the firm's laptops, computers and tablets, making them into virtual powerhouses. The 5th Gen iPad boasts an M1 chip, a 2360 by 1640 IPS LCD panel that delivers 264 pixels per inch, and a maximum brightness of 500 nits. It's an absolute powerhouse. The thing that makes the Apple iPad Air, 5th Gen, 2022, one of the best drawing tablets you can buy is its Apple Pencil 2 compatibility, delivering one of the smoothest and most natural-feeling digital drawing experiences on the market.
Number 1. Xencelabs Pen Tablet Medium Bundle.
The Xencelabs Pen Tablet Medium is a drawing tablet that strikes an optimal balance between power, design, portability, and price, and in our opinion that makes it the best drawing tablet you can buy right now. Relative newcomers to the market, Xencelabs boasts among their roster a number of Wacom alumni who have brought their tablet design news to this newer brand. One of the most important aspects of a drawing tablet is the texture of its drawing surface, and the Xencelabs Pen Tablet Medium gets it bang on the money. As we said in our glowing 5-star review of the tablet, the level of bite against the stylus feels exactly right, and it makes the tablet immensely satisfying to draw on.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.